Outside.
Whoa, look what the Easter Bunny brought you.
What is it?
What?
What is it?
It's chocolate!
Yeah, that's chocolate.
Mmm.
Mmm, that good chocolate?
Look. Look, coin.
Yeah, pick them up. Yay! Put them in your basket.
Put them in your
Put it in your
basket.
basket. Yeah, put them in there.
The blue one. Mmm.
Here, can you wait for that for a little while?
That's a pretty big piece of chocolate. Put it back in your basket. Here, put it back in your basket.
Look, Roman, there's more eggs. Look.
Find all the eggs.
See if I look, there's more eggs, and there's more eggs. There's lots of eggs.
Look. Just a more coin.
Yeah, put them in your basket. Yay! Go get the rest.
Chocolate.
Yep. Go get the rest of the
Look, there's lots
Easter eggs.